अगर मैं जिक्र करूं कि आप लोगों की फीडबैक क्या रही, खास तौर पे आप लोग जिस तरीके से कलाम साहब के बेहद करीब खुद को रखते हैं, सो आप लोगों की फीडबैक हम सभी के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो सबसे पहले मैं चलूंगा बेस्ट स्पीकर के लिस्ट में जो नाम दर्ज हुआ। अपना माइक को प्लीज, अब वक्त हो गया है कि प्लीज 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 अनम्यूट कीजिए और अपना फीडबैक हम सभी से शेयर कीजिए। What does what is actually the whole matter, the whole scene that we have created mean for you? I would like to join our best speaker first, Mayank Mani Prasad. If you can join me at this moment. What does it actually mean for you? I want to understand.
Firstly, I would like to thank Kalam Youth Leadership Conference 2021 team. So I can't tell how much I inspire and admire by Dr. Kalam, and especially by this type of event, we are getting very close to Kalam, and we remember him in a very good way to inspire the youths. Like I only thought and work on the vision of Kalam Sahab to distinguish the youth from India with very promises and innovating and creativity. Like if I say we all should learn from Kalam sir. There is many things like unlimited things, but if I talk about the few of the things like simplicity, he is an amazing, simple person. He is so, and for creativity in research, progressive knowledges, we can learn very things from him. And he always wants the students to be more creative, to be more innovative side, and he wants to students to gather knowledge with the full of ideas. So wants to see all the students very happy, and he wants to youth to recognize and encourage all the youth to develop India a very superpower nation. So again, a thank you to POP Foundation, Munna sir, and the KYLC team. So thank you very much for having me here.
Congratulations once again, Mr. Mayank. And now I would like to join Sarkar Tanveer Ahmed. Please unmute your mic and share your feedback. Mr. Ahmed, can you join me? I think he's not here at this moment. So iske saath, I would like to join Mr. Rajesh Kumar Suman. राजेश कुमार सुमन जी, अगर आप मेरी आवाज सुन रहे हैं तो प्लीज अपने माइक को अनम्यूट करें और इस मंच पे आना। और खास तौर पे अगर मैं जिक्र करूं जिस तरीके से अपने करियर में आपने लाखों पैर इस कंट्री को, इस वर्ल्ड को आपने दिए हैं, सो इस मंच पे आकर आपको कैसा लगा, और तब जब आप बेस्ट स्पीकर के लिस्ट में आपका नाम दर्ज हुआ। आई थिंक राजेश कुमार सुमन जी भी जरा सी देर में अगर हमें ज्वाइन करेंगे, दैट्स ओके। ऑल राइट, और इसके बाद मैं ज्वाइन करना चाहूंगा तमाला पहनी कुमार जी को। आई वुड लाइक टू ज्वाइन मिस्टर Samala. Yeah, your name has been selected for best delegates. What does it mean for you?
First of all, thank you very much for giving me this. First of all, thank you very much for giving this wonderful opportunity, and it's my privilege to be in this, and I learn a lot from this platform to meet globally. With this ideology of Kalamji being simplicity, I'm following from my childhood, and promoting through my writings, and I feel proud to hear, and thanks once again for commemorating with me, best delegate. Thank you so much. Hello.
Congratulations to all. There is some technical problem, so our anchor has disconnected. So we will continue this, and I would like to invite to give your feedback to Professor Avilash Jha. Please come and share your view. What is your experience, and how is your feeling? Please.
Thanks a lot, Munna sir. I believe my voice is audible to everyone.
Yeah. Sure. Please go ahead.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Munna sir. First of all, I would like to thank to the whole Khwab Foundation. You guys are really doing a very wonderful job. And as we always discuss, when it comes about our vision and which is quite towards and it completely innovated towards the vision of Kalamchand. And if you guys have noticed, the yesterday topic which I have chosen, even that was something related to the youth. And youth are those whom we don't need to teach everything. Actually, we have to show them a right path, and that is the only way by which we can motivate them a lot. Not only that, they are the person who are definitely going to be the future of India. For that, we have to definitely guide them, motivate them throughout. For that, when Munna ji and the whole team is always helping them, they are actually working on a very grassroots level. We go to villages as well to motivate people. I'm in touch with Munna ji for, I believe, now more than 6 to 7 years, and we every year get connected. We always speak about the things which is always already going on in his village or in his area, and even I also put my views, whatever I am planning to do or what I am doing right now. So hope this relation is going to be maintained for a longer period of time, and accordingly I'm going to, and thanks for appreciating me, all of you. And once again, I would like to congratulate to all of those people who have got awarded today. All the very best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much for your words. And I think Sikan Sekhar has returned. Sikan ji, are you here? Okay. Thank you so much, Abhilash ji. You have given a very good words. Thank you. And now I would like to invite Mr. Mukesh Sisaria ji. He is actually blood man and he is doing a very good job. And I'd like to congratulate on such awards. So I would like to invite to give your own experience and idea if you are here. Mukesh sir, I think he has left. Now I would like to invite Masuma Moriam from Bangladesh. Please say doing a great job, exceptional work. And this is a small contribution to just keep carry on and go ahead. Masuma Moriam.
Thank you so much. I'm extremely honored to receive this award actually. And I am earnestly grateful for the recognition that I have received today because I am very sure that every other nominee for this award was as capable, if not more. So thank you so much KYLC team and for Foundation for honoring me and for giving me such honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Masuma, and just keep continue and congratulations once again. Now I would like to invite Jigar Rawal. Jigar Rawal ji, Mr. Jigar Rawal ji, please come and share your view and give your opinion. Jigar Rawal ji, are you here? I think he has also left. There is some problem, technical problem, and due to weak network, and sometimes someone has finished their data also. That is also a problem because this is a very long 2 to 3 hours. So maybe this will be the cause. So we proceed further. Our awardee, and they are amazing personality and. Within our Dr. Satrunjay Saran sir, please, if you are here, please share your view, please. Satrunjay Saran sir, Dr. Satrunjay Saran sir. I think he is not here, and I would like to welcome once again Mr. Sikand Sekharji. Just keep continue. I'm not so expert as you are doing exceptional anchoring. Really, virtually you have connected and bonded to each one, and they are listening you and continuing from 2 to 3 hours. That is amazing work done by you, and I really appreciate your effort for making this interesting and fruitful. Over to you.
So I would like to invite our next awardee, actually, ladies and gentlemen. And from Iraq, I would like to join Mr. Amar Al Salman.
No, he has not joined us.
Okay, so can I join Mr. Ashish Kumar once again?
Ashish ji, I think he has also left.
Okay, so all right, I'm just moving towards next, and the next name is Dr. N.P. Gandhi from India.
Welcome, sir. At first, I would like to give special greetings to Khwab Foundation and Honorable Founder, Youth Brigadier of our India, and globally he's a mentor of millions of youth. Direct and direct, he had touched so many hearts. So, Honorable Mr. Munna Kumarji, first off, accept my greetings. And this is really a great honor to me that I have presented here. And with we can see that here tirelessly they are working with team leadership, like under able combination of like very great team leaders. Intija Karim ma'am, last year also I have kept in touch with your leadership effort. Mr. Vajpayee ji, who has been disconnected due to technical problems, but even he has again joined, and tirelessly since 2 days he is working, and whole mentorship that done by Honorable Archana Bhattacharya ma'am. You are doing also great job to mentoring all of us, and your valuable presence is really remarkable for all of you. And I would like to give a special greetings and welcome to whole international delegates who have been joined today. And because we can see that one line in a short concluding remarks, I would like to give this special greetings to everyone that we have to be energetic with this voice. रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के। ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही, सूरज देख रुक गया है, तेरे आगे झुक गया है। जब कभी ऐसे कोई मस्ताना निकले हैं अपनी धुन में दीवाना, शाम सुहानी बन जाते हैं दिन इंतजार के, ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही, रुक
All right, I'm
जाना
having little.
नहीं तू कहीं हार के. So this is inspiration that we have received in the form of various leadership work from APJ Kalam sir. And again, now I would like to give special greetings and मेरा आत्मी नमन उन्हें,
All right, we are
उनके
having
इस
little less time out
अद्भुत
here.
कार्यों को, जिनकी वजह से आज सारे युवाओं में युवा जिंदा दिली मौजूद है, और आज इसी कारण ख्वाब फाउंडेशन
you.
की लीडरशिप में पूरे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्लेटफॉर्म में आज हम मौजूद हैं.
Thank you very much for your feedback, and I'm just moving towards Afghanistan, and the name is Mr. Salah Kabir.
I think
Mr.
he
Kabir, can
is
you
also
please-
not here.
Okay, all right. So may I join Miss Arva from Yemen? I think she's
He is
also
also not here. Sarkar,
All right. So can you join Mr. Ravindra Singh?
no, he is also not available here. Sarkar, can
All right.
join us? Sarkar Tanvir Ahmed from Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Join us.
Yeah, thank you very much. First of all, to Mr. Munna, and also
Can you please
Honorable,
on your
the whole
camera?
Smartly, sorry, it's quite impossible right now to turn on my
All
camera.
right. All right. Go ahead.
Thank you very much, Honorable Mr. Munnaji, and also our presenter for your nice, wonderful, smart presentation till the 2 days. We have enjoyed really, and the session is really different. My scene the before event, because there are some interactive sessions, some energizers are there, and honorable the speakers from around the world. I'm seeing that they are awarded the Dr. Kalam Youth Award, and really it's very inspirational platform to learn our former honorable the President of India, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, as well as not only youth but also the children, those who have performed by making their own speech or drawing petition like that. So I think this platform will be more sustainable if the continuity will be continue. And Mr. Munna and also the organizers, heartily congratulations to you for successfully organizing this event, and also for choosing me as a the delegation from Bangladesh to represent my country here. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And now I would like to join Ms. Jazbia Shirin from Pakistan. Ms. Shirin, can you hear me?
No, she has also left. She was there, but now she is not available here.
So can I just make it open so that if anyone is here and just looking to give feedback, so directly, he or she can.
Yes, sure. There is Stuti Jain, I think so, a child awardee. I think we have to invite her, Stuti Jain, and Ishika Srivastava.
Yes, Stuti, please.
Stuti Jain.
It's little difficult to understand in virtual mode, but
okay, just go ahead.
All right, Ishika Srivastava, can you join?
No.
Ishika, I think she's also not at this moment. All right, so I think almost we have covered the name. So can we just open, if anyone is just looking to share his or her feedback, you directly join. Please directly
everyone
join.
should have to come in the video, and we have to share our own view, and this will be the open session and open giving your feedback and whatever the experience you have gained within 2 days. And today is the death anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So you can share your views. So this is the opportunity for you to develop your leadership quality, to speak in front of anyone. And this is the international platform, and it will give you a lot of energy and confidence. And if you will speak here, I assure that you will speak anywhere. Thank you. Go ahead. Sikanji, unmute.
Yeah, after this important feedback session, I would like to join guest of honor, Honorable Dr. Archana Bhattacharya ma'am. Ma'am, how's your experience after the all session?
Am I supposed to be the last one to round up this session?
No.
Shekhar always gets back to me whenever there is a gapping somewhere. Anyway, thanks. Thanks. I'm supposed to be the filler kind, Anyway, I feel honored. And it's my duty and my responsibility, as the Munna always says, the mother has always to be around to give support to the children. And at my age, I can consider all of you who are present here at this virtual international conference in honor of Kalamji. This is a big opportunity for all youths. It's certainly a big opportunity for all youths, and in spite of so many constraints, it is amazing. It is amazing that this thing has come into. It has been successfully concluded, and in these 2 days, everything has gone very smoothly, and there were so many outstanding personalities who were invited, and they accepted the invitation also. And that is also something very unnatural, because in these times, everybody is busy and they always come up with some excuse or the other. The fact that so many outstanding personalities who were so attached to Kalamji had given their consent just goes to prove in what high regard they hold the Kaur Foundation, its initiative, particularly the president, Munna Kumar. Munna is truly doing amazing work. He's a role model. He's truly a role model for all the youths, not just of our country, but for many other youths around the world. Everyone must be positive like him, must be workaholic like him, must never stop working, the show must go on, as someone had cited a few minutes back, and had also sung a very famous song, Ruk Jana Nahi. That's one of my favorite number also. And I believe we must carry on. We must carry on no matter what, because believing in the existence of light beyond the clouds, we must remain focused on that light no matter what. Problem, challenges will come into everybody's life, but that should not be an excuse. That should not be an excuse for us to procrastinate, to, give excuses saying that we cannot do this, we cannot do that. Definitely we can do that. All of us are born with certain inborn potentiality. And the greatest tragedy of life will be if at the time of your death, you're going to face the Creator, and he's going to have a number of questions for you. And if you are not able to look straight in his eyes and say that I came to this world with your gifts, but I did not use these gifts the way you would have wanted me to, that would be the biggest regret in any person's life. So don't leave this world with any kind of regrets. All of you are gifted, all of you. God is very generous. The divine power, the cosmic intelligence, by whatever name you call divinity, is very generous, is very loving, very compassionate, has gifted all of us tremendous potentiality. It is up to us to identify this potentiality within us, to bring it out, and then to use it for betterment of humanity. Remember always, there is only one caste, the caste of humanity. There is only one religion, the religion of love. And there is only one language, the language of the heart. So if you connect from the heart, all the boundaries, all the geographical boundaries will just disappear. It will be just a heart-to-heart connection, the way it has taken place here. Co-op Foundation has created that kind of a medium for all the youths to come together, to share their resources, their knowledge, their ideas, their love, their compassion. So let's take a page out of this book, take it back to our own country, our own state, our own society, and our own home, and try to implement whatever we have learned from it in our day-to-day life. A journey begins today, now, this very moment. That is my message to all of you. And please stay blessed. My love goes out to all of you. I love you all. Thank you for this opportunity.
I love you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Truly, the journey begins at this moment. And once I'm saying journey begins, that means this is the moment to come and to actually interact with the right person right now. Ladies and gentlemen.